Welcome everyone to the Special Explainer. Today we're jumping right into a comprehensive revision masterclass on, well, one of the most talked about pieces of budget home fitness gear out there, the Sunny Health Fitness SF-RW5639 rowing machine. Think of this session as a revision class for your wallet. I promise you, by the end of this, you're going to know exactly whether you should be adding this to your cart or, just walking away entirely. We're going to break down all the key concepts, the technical specs, and even those common misconceptions buyers make. So, grab your notebooks, get comfortable, and let's get right into it.
So, here's the big, essential question we're tackling today. Is this incredibly cheap, wildly popular machine a genuinely great starter tool, or is it just going to be something you completely outgrow in like a single month? Honestly, it's a super polarizing piece of equipment, right? For some people, it is the absolute perfect introduction to home fitness. But for others, well, it just becomes an incredibly expensive clothes rack because, frankly, they just didn't do their homework. But hey, that's why we're here. By the end of this explainer, you're going to have all the facts so you know exactly which category you fall into.
All right, Section 1, meet the budget rower. Let's take a quick look at its design and build.
Okay, take a really close look at the user's hand position here. You'll notice the SF-RW5639 is absolutely not your standard cable rower. Instead of just grabbing a single handle attached to a cord, it actually features two completely independent oar arms. Now, this is a crucial concept to grasp right out of the gate. A really common mistake buyers make is buying this exact machine expecting the exact same single pull feeling they'd get from, say, a standard gym rower. But it doesn't work like that. As a clear example, using this machine feels way more like sitting in an actual rowboat on a lake. You're pulling back with both arms simultaneously to propel yourself through the water. It completely changes the entire dynamic of the workout. So the technical term for this is a full-motion hydraulic rower. Those independent oar arms we just talked about, combined with a single hydraulic piston, create a really unique resistance profile. Because you can actually flare your arms out wider during the rowing motion. Rather than being stuck in a single straight line, you're actively targeting your upper back, your lats, and your shoulders in a way that those standard cable rowers sometimes just completely miss. It is incredibly beneficial for posture correction, and it really isolates each side of the upper back super effectively.
Now, let's talk about its dimensions. Specifically, this magic number right here, 52. The fully assembled machine is literally only 52 inches long. Guys, that is absolutely tiny for a rowing machine. Let me give you an example of how this actually plays out in real life. Let's say you live in a really cramped studio apartment in a busy city. Well, a 52-inch footprint means you can likely just slide this entire unit right under your bed. Or, just tuck it into the back of a small closet when you're done sweating. That space-saving aspect, it is a massive selling point for this model.
And now for the number that catches literally everyone's attention, the price. While the retail price generally floats somewhere just under $200, you're going to frequently see it go on sale for around $130 to $160, depending on the retailer. Look, in the world of fitness equipment, that is practically pocket change, which is exactly why it's so absolutely critical that we evaluate its true value today. We need to figure out if it's an absolute steal or just, a bunch of cheap metal.
Let's review the hard specs real quick. Despite being a true budget machine, it actually features a surprisingly robust steel frame, and it weighs a very manageable 33 to 38 pounds, which means one person can easily lift it and just move it around a room without blowing out their back. Interestingly enough, depending on the specific model version you stumble across, it boasts a really sturdy weight capacity, listed anywhere between 350 and 400 pounds. The foot pedals are nice and wide with adjustable straps, and the seat is fully padded and pretty large. So here's your quick Section 1 recap. The Sunny SF-RW5639 is a highly affordable, exceptionally compact, full-motion hydraulic rower that actually offers a pretty sturdy steel build, completely defying its super low price tag.
All right, moving right along to Section 2, performance and feel. Let's see how this actually translates to your daily workout.
The actual heart of this machine is located right down under the seat. It's this single hydraulic piston. All of your resistance, the whole shebang, comes from this one centralized component. It's got 12 adjustable levels of resistance, and you change them simply by physically turning a manual collar directly on the piston itself. It's incredibly straightforward and entirely mechanical. There is absolutely nothing to plug into a wall, there are no confusing digital menus to navigate, and honestly, no complex electronics that are going to break down on you over time.
But the real question is, how hard is it? While it is smooth, it's almost completely silent, but, and this is a big catch, it is built strictly for light cardio. A super common mistake eager buyers make is assuming that cranking it up to level 12 resistance means it's going to feel equivalent to heavy weightlifting. It is absolutely not. If you're already moderately fit, this is not going to challenge your muscular strength for very long. However, for example, if you're a senior looking for some gentle, low-impact joint movement, or maybe you're just someone who wants to row silently while binge-watching Netflix in the living room without waking up a sleeping baby next door, well, in that case, this smooth, quiet little piston is absolutely perfect.
Now, there is a pretty massive contrast in the technology you're getting here. The built-in LCD monitor, it's incredibly basic. We're talking no backlight, no Bluetooth, it's known to eat through AA batteries pretty fast. And frankly, the calorie count is just fundamentally inaccurate. Honestly, do not trust it for precise tracking. But, and it's a good but, Sunny counters this hardware deficiency by actually including access to their free Sunny Fit app. This gives you excellent trainer-led workouts that you can just stream right on your smartphone or tablet while you row. Okay, time for your quick Section 2 recap. This machine utilizes a super quiet 12-level hydraulic piston that's perfect for light, silent cardio. But do yourself a favor, completely ignore the built-in monitor and just use the included app for your training metrics instead.
Moving on to Section 3, Crucial Buyer Warnings. Let's read the fine print together.
So, the most crucial point to understand here is that the rail is undeniably short. Because the entire footprint is only 52 inches, the track that the seat actually glides on is severely truncated. A very common mistake buyers make is completely ignoring their own physical dimensions when they buy compact gear. As a real-world example, if you are over 5 foot 10 inches tall, you physically will not be able to get a full leg extension. Your knees are going to remain bent and totally cramped at the very back of your stroke. Furthermore, because of the budget construction, those seat rollers are actually widely known to start squeaking on that rail after a few weeks of consistent use. That means you're going to have to regularly wipe it down and apply a little silicone lubricant just to keep it quiet.
Let's rapidly review these 6 reality checks. We already discussed the 5'10" height limit and the fact that it's just way too easy for fit athletes. But you also need to understand the tech. Hydraulic pistons are older technology. During really long, intense 45-minute sessions, that cylinder is going to physically heat up, and in rare instances, users have reported minor oil leaks over time. Next up, the warranty is very short, just 180 days on parts. Also, when it arrives at your door, check your box immediately, because missing assembly bolts is a surprisingly common delivery complaint. Finally, while it is wonderfully compact, the frame does not fold up at all. It just sits low to the ground permanently. All right, here's your quick Section 3 recap. Manage your expectations regarding your height, the older hydraulic technology, and the super short warranty period. Doing that will save you from a whole lot of buyer's remorse.
And finally, Section 4, the final verdict. The big question, should you actually buy it? The divide here is crystal clear. You should absolutely buy this if you are a complete beginner, maybe a senior needing low-impact rehab movement, someone on a really strict budget under $200, or someone living in a tiny space who desperately needs a totally quiet workout. If that's you, you will love it and absolutely get your money's worth. However, you must actively avoid it if you are over 6 feet tall, if you're already athletic and want a high-intensity interval training challenge, or if you demand smart tracking and Bluetooth connectivity to sync up with your fancy fitness watch.
Now, if you happen to fall into that avoid category, let's look at a prime alternative. On the left is the budget hydraulic model we've been analyzing all day, and on the right is the Sunny SF-RW5515 magnetic rower. If you are taller or significantly fitter, you really should just spend a little bit more money, usually around $250 to $300, to upgrade to the machine on the right. Why? Well, it uses a much smoother magnetic resistance, it has a significantly longer rail to actually comfortably accommodate tall users, and unlike our budget model, the frame actually folds up vertically, so you can still save that precious floor space. So here's your quick Section 4 recap. The SF-RW5639 is an incredible value for shorter, beginner users on a tight budget. But tall or highly fit users absolutely need to upgrade to a magnetic alternative like the SF-RW5515.
So, does your fitness routine need a $150 reality check? Honestly, only you know your goals. Let's do a final summary. The SF-RW5639 is a brilliantly compact, totally silent hydraulic rower offering fantastic value for beginners under 5'10", but it definitely lacks the specs for serious athletes. Okay, now let's test your knowledge with 5 quick revision questions. Try to answer these in your head before I give it away. Ready? Number 1. What is the maximum comfortable user height? It's about 5'10". Number 2. What provides the resistance on this machine? Yep, a single hydraulic piston. Number 3. Does it fold up? No, it doesn't, but remember, it is very compact. Number 4. What's the most common maintenance issue you're going to face? Those squeaky seat rollers that need a little lubrication. And finally, number 5. If you're too tall for this model, what is the best alternative? The SF-RW5515 magnetic rower. If you nailed those, you are 100% ready to make a choice. Thank you so much for joining this